Hi Hani, this is Will from AMplify Trading. You asked for a quick demonstration on our technology and how you might use it at BIBF to better give your candidates an experience of how financial markets actually work and how to operate within them. So, as you know, we'll be running this in two sessions on the buy side and on the sell side. The first screen I'm showing you here is on the buy side, and these are 12 traders that I'm currently risk managing. They're using a simulator platform that we provide, which is all live market prices, live market data, but not real money. The only difference is we've stopped the feed going to the exchange. So everything else is exactly the same, and I can see here we've got a guy who's long in the Euro USD, someone here short the Bund, short oil, and we can monitor their positions in real time. The ladder setup that each of your candidates get will be similar to this, although it will be much more like one ladder for their own trading platform, but also then obviously they'll have the chart with all the technical analysis that goes with it that we'll be taking them through as well, how to apply technical analysis to their different products, obviously being quite important. So very high level technology, very fast, very quick, and all about applying contemporary macroeconomic theory into markets as they move now. And of course today is the big one with the ECB and Mario Draghi. So this morning we've been taking the traders through, what can the ECB do? What might Mario Draghi do? What's the action he might take, and what's going to be the likely reaction of that action? We actually believe that the market's expectations are set so high that anything within the realm of moderate to possible action might actually disappoint expectations. But the traders all know, they're all prepared. 12:45 for the interest rate decision, and then 1:30 for the press conference where Draghi will explain his actions. This is probably one of the most important monetary policy events of the year. So what we've been taking the traders through this morning is analysts from Credit Suisse or Deutsche Bank or Goldman's. What are they expecting? What do they believe the ECB will do and why? Helping everyone really get a contemporary understanding of what's driving financial market activity. Also for other data releases they'll be trading, we've got EU data coming out this morning, GDP data at 10 o'clock. So it's key they get the news and get the news fast, and here we'll be providing our latest news feed, all the news up to date to the second, both in text and in audio, as well as a calendar of the key events, research articles, further research surrounding this big monetary policy event. They'll be trading the Euro, Bund, European equities, different currencies as well. I mean, it's going to be a really big afternoon for the guys, and I look forward to seeing them perform. After the session, we'll be providing an overview of their trades, so we record and detailed every single trade that the traders make, what will be their Sharpe ratio, their profit to loss ratio, trade expectancy, average time in winning trades, average time in losing trades. It's really important for us to be able to give each candidate a clean review on how they made decisions, and so they can then reflect on why they performed the way they did, why they made the trading decisions they did, and whether that was the right or the wrong thing to do. Now, the second side of our program with BIBF will be on the sell side of the industry, the investment banking side, and here you can see clients using our simulations, understanding the different roles and operations within an investment bank. And I think this page here best reflects the purpose of this simulation. How does the sell side interact with the buy side? How does the research and sales team provide value to the bank? How does that bank then use that research to generate flow through the sales trader? It's a really, really fun and intense session when the teams get to live and experience both sides, being the buy side, operating on the sell side, and understanding the challenges of both. So if we have a look at the technology we've created for this simulation, here we're looking at an investment banking screen whereby, for example, this will be operated by a trader, and the sales trader has told him, okay, we've got client A who wants a menu for 10,000 contracts sterling petroleum, can you give him a two-way price? And the trader will look at the price, will look at the volatility and the liquidity of that product, see what the client might get in an order-driven market, and then provide him a quote based on the relationship of the client, based on the risk that the bank might have to take to make this trade. He'll be able to provide him a quote to make a market between them, the bank will then have that position on their books, which they can unwind either by going back into the market or by the sales trader having a counterparty to take the risk off the bank's books. It's a very, very good session. We've been asked by Bank of America this year to extend this. We've invested well over £100,000 to extend this simulation into a 3-week program for them. They've enjoyed it so much, this will be their 4th year running, and it's a piece of kit we're very proud of. And last but not least is our trading room portal here, Hani, which you might find useful. This is where we have guys from all over the world log in to listen to what Piers is saying and to see Piers' screens. It doesn't matter whether they're in Bahrain or Birmingham, they're receiving the same updates on what's driving market activity right now, why assets are moving, and potential trading strategies to implement. So that might be something useful for you guys as well. I hope that gave you a good overview of what we do, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.